Nina the Narwhal goes Nina the Narwhal was swimming with her friends when she spotted something neat. She stopped to take a look. When she was done, she realized she lost her friends. "Oh no," Nina said. Nina used her special noise to call out for her friends. Nina listened carefully. Then she heard her friends reply with She followed the pulsing noise. Finally, she was reunited with her friends. Can you send out a pulsing noise like Nina? Take your hand and make a fist, then quickly open and close it, saying The letter N makes a sound. When you see the letter N, remember to go like Nina.